Hello everyone, welcome to this video tutorial series. My name is Ankur Rupani. I head the Gre Quant at Imperial. We've been into training and counseling for several years now, helping students prepare for GRE, GMAT, SAT, TOEFL, IELTS, and helping with the application process and sending them abroad. Alright guys, so let's take a look at the question number 1. It was this question, which is x is equal to 160, y equal to 150, quantity A, number of positive divisors of x, and quantity B, number of positive divisors of y. The question asks you to compare these two columns. Okay, if A is bigger, then A is the answer. If B is bigger, then B is the answer. If the two columns are equal, then C is the answer. And if you cannot determine it, D is the answer. What could be one approach? If I don't know the concept which I'm gonna discuss now, you could start manually counting like 160, which are the factors and all that. But it's gonna take a lot of time. So there is a strategy of counting the number of factors. And that strategy is, first you prime factorize. So let's do that. So 160, let's do first the prime factorization. So 280, 240, 220, 210, 2551. So this is your prime factorization. So 160 is equal to 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So 2 power 5, 5 power 1. Okay, now the number of factors. Okay, if you look at 5 power 1, it has two factors, 1 and 5. Okay, so I'll just put that over here. 2 power 5 has 6 factors. What are they? 1, 2, 2 square, 2 cube, 2 power 4, 2 power 5. Okay, now how many total factors are there? This comes from rule of counting. We just multiply the individual factors. Okay, here you have 6 and here you have 2. So if I take these combinations, you'll get 6 into 2, which is 12 factors. Okay, so quantity A is 12. Okay, now let's look at quantity B. We'll follow the same step. So 150, let's prime factorize. So start with 3, 5, again 5, and 2. So 150 is 3 into 5 square into 2. Same logic, 3 power 1 will have two factors, 1 and 3. 5 power 2 will have 3 factors, 1, 5 and 5 square, and 2 power 1 will have 2 factors, 1 and 2. So here you have 2, here you have 3, here you have 2. How many total factors? Same logic, we can multiply and find the total. So 2 into 3 into 2, which is again 12. So as you can see, quantity A is also 12, quantity B is also 12. Both the columns are equal. C is the answer when the two columns are equal. So hope you guys got that question right in a short amount of time.